How can you fix slow API endpoints performance? If you have been frustrated by slow application programming interface endpoints, you are not alone. Many developers face this challenge. Let's talk about some practical steps you can take to improve performance. First, focus on reducing unnecessary work. One way to do this is by minimizing redundant application programming interface calls. Instead of making multiple related requests, combine them into one. This reduces network overhead and speeds up response times. Next, consider the amount of data your application programming interface returns. Only include the fields that the client actually needs. Large payloads can increase latency and use more bandwidth. Techniques like pagination, which breaks responses into smaller chunks, and filtering, which returns only relevant data, can keep responses lightweight and fast. Optimizing the format and serialization of data is also important. Using efficient data formats like JavaScript object notation or even more compact formats such as protocol buffers can reduce payload size. Additionally, employing fast JavaScript object notation serializers and enabling compression methods like gzip or brotli on responses can lower the amount of data transferred, speeding up communication. On the server side, optimizing routing and resource management is key. Efficient routing reduces the number of network hops and latency. Using load balancers can help distribute traffic evenly across servers, avoiding bottlenecks. Tuning server performance includes managing central processing unit, memory, and disk input-output effectively. Updating software to more efficient versions can also help. Consider horizontal scaling, which adds more servers, or vertical scaling, which upgrades hardware to handle increased load. Database optimization plays a significant role since many application programming interface endpoints depend on database queries. Use indexing to speed up searches and write optimized queries to reduce execution time. Caching frequent query results can help avoid repeated database hits. Balancing database normalization and denormalization can also improve query performance based on specific use cases. Lastly, implement rate limiting to prevent accidental or malicious overloads that can slow down the application programming interface. Monitoring transaction rates per user or token helps identify and block excessive requests. In summary, fixing slow application programming interface endpoints involves streamlining application programming interface calls, reducing payload sizes, optimizing data serialization and compression, tuning server and database performance, efficient routing and load balancing, and controlling request rates. By following these steps, you can significantly improve the speed and reliability of your application programming interface.